In this video, I show you how to build a project that was built with domino connectors. So I first want to highlight how the domino connectors work. Here you can see the one half of our fastener. It has a divot in it, and there's an angled portion in the other half of our fastener that when I screw this part down, it pulls the two parts together. So if our fastener was already screwed down, it would prevent these two parts from interlocking. So I have to back out this screw enough that the two parts will at least come together. They can slide together now, and then by screwing this in, the two parts will pull together. We're now going to demonstrate the assembly of the final plate rack. So if these were tightened all the way down during shipping, then the first thing you'll need to do is loosen these before starting to assemble the plate rack. So we loosen that and we push the two pieces together, and then we tighten this, and that will hold the two pieces together. And we do this for each piece along this side. We now have our plate rack fully assembled except for our plate catches. So we just need to interface the two magnetic latches, and then we're all done.